Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. In the previous lesson, we learned how to plot points on the coordinate plane. But now, let's go one step further. What if we have 2 points and we want to find the distance between them, or the exact point in the middle? Today, we will learn two powerful tools, the distance formula and the midpoint formula. Let's consider 2 points A and B. We want to find the distance between them. Distance in coordinate geometry comes from the Pythagorean theorem. We form a right triangle. Horizontal distance is x2 minus x1 and vertical distance is y2 minus y1. Using Pythagorean theorem, distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This formula measures straight line distance between 2 points. Let's see one example. Find the distance between 2 points, point 1, 2, 3 and another point 6, 7. Let's see the solution. Delta x is equal to 4 and delta y is equal to 4. So the distance is equal to square root of 4 square plus 4 square is equal to square root of 32. This root 32 can be simplified for root 2. Now let's find the point exactly in the middle. Given 2 points A and B. The midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Midpoint is the average of x values and y values. See one example. Find the midpoint between 2 points, 2, 4 and 6, 8. The midpoint formula is 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 8 divided by 2. So the midpoint is 4, 6. The distance tells us how far apart 2 points are, and the midpoint tells us the exact center between 2 points. Today we have learned how to find distance between 2 points and how distance formula comes from Pythagorean theorem, and how to find midpoint and how these formulas help in geometry. These are essential tools in coordinate geometry. Try to do these assignment problems by your own. When you understand distance and midpoint, you begin to measure geometry using algebra. And this connection is the foundation of coordinate geometry and calculus. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson.